Alright guys, welcome to this WordPress training tutorial on how you can create pages for your WordPress.com site. So it's the second video here, and we're just going to create the page, and then I'll have a couple additional videos how you can add media, polls, and other things to your pages. So when you're in your administrative dashboard on your WordPress.com site or blog, you just come down here to pages. You can click on it and it will give you a list of all your pages like it does right here, or you can hit add new, it's up to you, or you can hit add new up here. So we're just going to go ahead and hit add new, and we're just going to do a contact page. So contact us. Alright, now if I wanted to write anything in here, I could simply type this in. Thank you for contacting us, and it's that simple. My page is created, everything's good to go, and I don't have to really do anything else other than come over here to the right hand side of the screen, and I can set the template. So the default template is a page that has a sidebar. Alright, so a sidebar looks like so. So this is the existing site that we've just, the temporary site that we've created right now. This area right here is called the sidebar. So I can, leave it the default template, or I can make it a full width page where it removes the sidebar. It's up to you if you want to do that. Here, for making it a parent page or a sub page of a parent page. So for example, if maybe under about I wanted to have a page about Joe Von Grichten, or a page about our mission statement, those types of things. Maybe I want them to be sub-menus under the About page, then I can put them here, or when I create the custom navigation I can do that there as well. So typically I don't worry about this here, because in the custom navigation I set that. Up here we just simply can save the draft. That doesn't mean that it's published, it just means that it's been saved. You have a couple different things here. If you want to publish immediately as the default, or if you wanted to set a time and date for it to schedule, or for it to publish, then you could set it here, hit OK, and when you hit the publish button it will not publish it until the date and time that you've set here. But typically you want to leave that. If it's a page, you want it to publish right away. Visibility, if you wanted to password protect a page, so maybe you have staff or members or a team that you want to have private exclusive access to it, you can simply click on password protected, type in the password you want, and when those visitors go to the page, if they don't have the password, they will not be able to see the content on that page. Pretty cool little tool. And very easy to set up, and you can always go and reset the password at any time by coming into this page and resetting the password. And then you can preview the page. So if you wanted to preview and see what the page looks like, here we go. Alright, so here's our contact us. Thank you for contacting us. Alright. And we're ready to go. But wait, we need to add a contact form. So let's go ahead and do that. I was going to do that in another tutorial, but I'll go ahead and do that now because it's very simple. And when you see how easy it is, you're going to thank me for that. So you have add media, add poll, and add contact form. So we're just going to simply hit the add contact form. And most times I would just say just leave it default, just like this for the contact page. It should be just fine. If you wanted to add another field, you can. So you can hit add new field. You can edit it whatever you want it to be, so label it. You can keep it new field. You can choose what type of field type it is, so name, radio box, maybe a text area or website. It's up to you what you want to put in there. I'm going to go ahead and remove it for now because I'm going to keep it just the way it was. Up at the top here you'll see email notifications. Make sure you put in your email address where you want to be notified when somebody leaves a comment or uses this contact form. So put in your email address here and the subject line. So this is from the contact us page on my website type of thing. So I could do Joe at Redzone Creative.com, and Alright, and I can save and go back to the form builder. So my email notifications are set up. I just simply hit this blue button that says add this form to my post. Boom. So now let's go back over to the right hand side of the screen here. I'm going to hit save draft. I'm going to hit preview again, and you'll see we now have a contact page with our contact form in it. Alright. So with that is how simplistic setting up a page can be, and you can always edit the page or add to the page at your whim, if you will, or on a whim, if you will. It doesn't have to always stay the way it is. Once you put it up there, it doesn't mean that it's set in stone. You can always change it if you'd like to. So with that, stay tuned for the next tutorial on how you can add media, add a poll, or add a video to your page. See you at the next video.